Hi everyone, welcome to the Genius Hour. In this short little introductory video, I'm going to show you the ways in which this project is run, and I'll show you the ins and outs of how this Google Classroom works. So by now you've probably gotten the Google Classroom code, and once you type the code in, you may see a Genius Hour Classroom added to your class's landing page, or it might directly take you to the Genius Hour Classroom. And if you did, then congratulations, you are in the right spot. It definitely says it here in the header just to make sure, and our class code is verified here in the left-hand side. So in this short video, I do want to talk about this classroom stream and the classwork tabs. Now in the stream in this course is really just reserved for different announcements that I make as a teacher or questions that you may have as a student that you can post. But you'll see here, I did post that I would like students, especially you starting out in this project, to really just check out the classwork tab at the top of the page. And the classwork tab is really where you'll find all of the assignments and the information that you need to be successful in this project. So if I click at the classwork tab, you'll see that I have quite a few different topics here. Now topics are the big ones here. The first place I want you to start is here, and it literally will tell you to start here first. And this is where you'll also find this video. So just to know, to get the ball rolling here, what exactly is Genius Hour? Why might you want to participate in this project? So really, Genius Hour is a chance for you to show off what you know. And in this project, you're really going to be able to do some of your own informational research. You'll have the chance to eventually, at the end of this, show off your own project, and you'll be able to give feedback to other classmates. So not only are you getting to present on a topic that you really like, but you're able to learn about what other classmates are passionate about. So throughout this unit, you're going to be able to research and compile facts about a topic. You'll be able to post this in a Google Slides, and then you'll also be able to create a video, a poster, some sort of graphic or slide deck presenting that knowledge that you really love to talk about. You'll also be able to record and post a flip video, and so that will be what you're presenting information on electronically, unless you choose to do your other project that way. But this is kind of your end of the unit project, is where you'll really talk about what you researched with Flipgrid. And then you'll also be able to respond to your classmates using Flip. So that's pretty cool that you'll be able to give them some personal feedback and really learn about, again, what they were researching as well. You'll also be able to assess the projects of other students using a rubric, which is awesome. So we're getting a lot of peer feedback here and a lot of student collaboration that you get to be a part of. Once you've read the welcome and you've listened to this video, the project will make a lot more sense to you. The first thing that you want to do is you want to click at the assignments underneath the Step 1 Researching tab. So this here will tell you what you need to exactly do at each step, and you'll just click on them from there. Now in Step 2, the same thing, you'll be creating, and you'll also have a choice board down here, which I'll add. And then Step 3, which is sharing and reflecting. So you'll have the opportunity to click and share your work on Flipgrid, and you'll also, again, be told on what you can do in the step. So there's a little checklist for you to keep you on track with all of your assignments. So this is where you are allowed to start. You're going to want to start obviously at Step 1, and you're really going to want to start to brainstorm and think about what type of topics that you're passionate about or some topics that you're interested in researching. I'm excited to see everybody's topics.